Hello viewers, today we are going to start new video which is Science and Technology in the United States. Before starting this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Safdar Tech and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. I hope all viewers subscribe my YouTube channel Safdar Tech and press the bell icon. Now we start our topic, Science and Technology in the United States. Science and technology in the United States has a long history, producing many important figures and developments in this field. The United States of America came into being around the age of Enlightenment, an area in Western philosophy in which writers and thinkers, rejecting the preceded superstition of the past, instead chose to emphasize that intellectual, scientific, and cultural life centered upon the 18th century, in which reason was advocated as the primary source of the legitimacy and authority. Enlightenment philosophers enforced republic of science, where ideas would be exchanged freely and useful knowledge would improve the lot of all citizens. The United States Constitution itself reflects the desire to encourage scientific creativity. It gives the United States Congress the power of promote the progress of science and useful arts by securing for limited times by authors and inventors the exclusive right to their respective writings and discoveries. Next is early American science. In the early decades of its history, the United States was relatively isolated from Europe and also rather the poor. At this stage, America's scientific infrastructure was still quite primitive compared to the long established societies, institutes, and universities in Europe. Next is science immigration. American political leaders' enthusiasm for knowledge also helped ensure a warm welcome for scientists from the countries. A notable every immigrant early was British chemist George Purcell, who was driven from his homeland because of his diseasing politics. Purcell, who migrated to the United States in 1794, was the first of thousands and talented scientists drawn to the United States in search of a creative environment. Next is American applied science. During the 19th century, Britain, France, and Germany were at the forefront of the new ideas in science and mathematics. Next is the atomic age and big science. One of the most spectacular and conventional accomplishments of US technology has been the homage nuclear energy. The concept that led the splitting of the atom was developed by the scientists of many countries. Telecom and technology. For the past 80 years, the United States has been integral in the fundamental advantages in telecommunication and technology. For example, laboratory spread American technology revolution was a series invention including the first practical light emitted LED, the transistor, C programming language, and the Unix computer operating system. I hope all pupils pick all points according to science and technology in the United States. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Safdar Tech and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. I hope all viewers subscribe my YouTube channel Safdar Tech. Thank you.